nakarating na kami dito sa bagong bahay sa Budapest, Hungary. And this is my bed. Bed ng aking anak at ang aking kapatid. And we have the table. Kapatid. And that's the kitchen. Nice. And we have the toilet and bath. Wow. Oh, go pig, go whatsoever. Fresh up kayo lang. Nice one. It's a nice place. I love the color. My color, everything.
This is the cheapest one I could find.
So, cheapest one. 100. This is 150? 60.
Euro.
Canadian dollar. Iso? 147 Canadian dollar amok. Yun. Okay, it's a nice place.
That's not too bad.
And of course, meron silang garden here. Ayan, maganda. So, yan lang. Okay, pahinga saglit and then we'll go out. Anyways, KLL Kings is here again sa kalsada dito sa Budapest and going somewhere else. Sabi nila ay sa Danube. Danube. Let's go and see what it is. But this is their main street here in Budapest going to the river. Time check, it's 3:40 p.m. D-A? N-U? B? Oh, Danube. 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 So we're going to Danube Canoe Church. And that's the bridge. And they have blue bus. Maganda rin ang mga iskinita nila. Mas maganda pag nasa taas tayo. Kaya, may... Ano naman yun?
Buddha Castle.
Buddha Castle. Doon muna tayo sa taas. Over na tayo. Ang daming tulay. May isa, dua, talo, upat, lima. Danube Place. Ay, yung tulay na yon, yun yung nakikita ko sa Budapest Airport. Ngayon nakita ko na sa... Okay, I'll show you. That bridge. So we will walk there later pag uwi namin. At kami pupunta pa sa tuktok ng bundok ulit. Para makita ang the whole old Budapest. Doon ang old Budapest. Yan. Kung saan kami nakatira. For one night. And then yung 3 hours siguro na maglakwat siya muna kami bago matulog. Akyatan time. Dito sa sa bridge ng Danube. Danube. Danube, kung nakanugaya ang mga Danube. Danube or Danube in English. It's 44 step already. – 80 steps. Wow. More way to go. – 66 steps doon pa sa taas. So malayo pa. Let's go. 160 steps so far. And pinagpapawisan Pinagpapawisan ulit. But it's fine. Still like breathing well. Steps lang yun ha. I mean the stairs going up. So pupunta pa kami sa taas. 160.
One hour later.
Ang nangyari, hindi namin inakyat yung sa kabila. So, pumunta kami dito sa may Buddha Castle. So, maraming steps pa rin para malang makita or mas malapit ang makita yung parliament sa old side. Which is, ang tawag doon ay Pest. Dito sa amin ay Buddha. Pinag-combine daw nung 1800s. That's Buddha Pest. Hindi pa tapos. Barbaron. Budapest is very, very beautiful. Kung gusto nyo ng makalumang lugar at saka magagandang mga it's a cool one. It's beautiful.
C'est la même photo. Vraiment, Rémi n'a pas changé. Sur la photo, il y a un homme qui est stoïque.
Napintas. Napintas.
Nein, nicht so.
Night time in Budapest. It's almost 9 p.m. So tatawirin na namin itong bridge going to Pest. Pest sa kabila. Dito naman ay Buddha. So pag kinumbine mo daw, siya ay Buddha Pest. Yeah. According sa aming pinagtulugan or yung aming hotel, apartment, sabi niya, ang water na ito, yung river na ito ay bumaba na. So, ang mga street light na lang ang may ilaw. Ang mga buildings ay pinatay na daw dahil para makakonserve sila ng energy. So, ganyan na lang, street light ang meron, but the buildings, hindi na yan pinapailaw. Maganda sana pag pinailaw, pero tama naman siya. But anyways, the story of this is like this. The Budapest is split into two, Budapest and the river Ubuda. The river divides the hilly type at the west side at saka flat naman on the east side kung saan kami naka-apartment. Good for one night. pwede kang magtambay dito sa may tulay. Ayan, imulin, hanap makauli.
A few moments later.
Right, this. Kawat ni Nana mo, girl eh. Dahil pala kayo makaan. So na lang pinag-eat all you can. Kasi kami kani Kuya, a la carte lang. Ganun yung diet kami. Hindi lang tigang kanin menu. Would you believe that?
After like 5 hours of walking, hiking, and everything, kumain kami dito sa sushi restaurant dito sa Budapest. Ayan, nabusog kami, sobrang busog, at kami uuwi na dahil mag-aalas 11 na ng gabi, at bukas maaga pa kaming uuwi, going to the airport maybe around 7:30. Hopefully walang late nagigising kasi talagang pagod na pagod kami. And I will say, kung gusto nyong mamasyal, try nyo rin ang Budapest, Croatia. Maganda. Nag-snore na sila, pati ang aso. Good night na, and see you tomorrow. Baka sa airport na tayo magkikita. Good morning! Andito na kami sa airport. It's like 9:30 in the morning here in Budapest. Just waiting for the flight. 10 o'clock ang flight ng aking kapatid. So, ihatid lang namin saglit, and then we will go to our destination too. Sa kabila kami. So again, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Doon na tayo sa Toronto magkikita-kita. Bye, and thanks for watching.